Hi, I'm David Hunt, professional stock market technical analyst, aka chartist, advisor to the advisors and principal of the Profit Hunters Group. This is a site where traders and investors come together to get independent professional stock market advice, training, support and recommendations using pooled eyes, ears and knowledge in the group. The Brains Trust, I call them. They're filtered by my advice using charts. Welcome to episode 2. Why do people fail at investing and trading? So why do people fail at investing or trading? Predominantly people come into trading and investing in the stock market with the idea that it's the same as the business or career that they were in. That it's the same as the business or career that they might have had success in. And that they try to adopt the same principles. And in fact, it's very different in many ways. Now I ask you, would you trust a surgeon who walked in and said, "Hey, I've just started doing this"? Heart and neurosurgeons take over 15 years of training to become trusted. Would you trust your surgeon if they told you, "Hey, I've just started doing this. Lay down on the table and I'm going to look after you. Trust me, I've read a few books"? I don't think so. Trusting your money with a beginner with no knowledge, that's you when you're just starting in the markets, could be just as scary and dangerous as trusting your body or brain to a beginner surgeon. Trading and investing is about learning a method, working with that method, proving the method is right, and then proving that you can work with that method by applying that method over and over and over again with consistency and common sense to know when not to use that method. Trading is really you against the markets, and it can be a lonely business filled with doubt and uncertainty. Unfortunately for many, it can also be a costly business when you don't seek expert advice and try to go it alone. That's why a lot of professional advisors, you would expect professional advisors and stockbrokers to want to do it themselves, but they use my services of the Profit Hunter Group in my Investors Trade, which is the Australian Shares Report video newsletter, to help them make better, important decisions that affect their clients in the stock markets. So why do professional investors, traders and advisors seek my advice? They seek my advice because I've got over 35 years experience as a professional corporate investor, fund manager, trader, advisor and technical analyst. Unlike the often biased advice of stockbrokers who have vested interest in recommending particular stocks because that's their house view, my clients can be certain that my expert advice is 100% unbiased, completely independent. I call the markets the way I see them in front of me as they unfold. Being part of my Profit Hunters groups helps investors and traders to feel supported and not isolated. Members have the opportunity to gain different perspectives on what's happening in the markets. Everyone in the group benefits collectively by gaining insights, not only from me, but also from the valuable contributions brought to the group by other professional traders and investors that I call the Brains Trust. I'm David Hunt of the Profit Hunters Group. Thanks for watching. If you want more information about me, the Profit Hunters Group, or my Australian Shares Report Invest or Trade video newsletter, please go to adesk.com.au or email me at david@adesk.com.au and I'll personally reply to you, or call me at Monday to Friday afternoon, New South Wales or Victorian time on 1300 552 182, because I will be looking after my clients as I do in the mornings every day. The next episode is how to get started trading shares in the stock market.